Volumes Installation Art Exhibit, Icebox Project, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Originally saw this post on social media, which is where I'm finding out more and more cool events. How the fuck do I just... This falls into a small category of what the fuck did I just experience and how the fuck do I describe it? I apologize, I don't have, it's been a truly crazy day. I don't have the artist names off the top of my head, but it was drums, drums and lights. Check out the video. First set was chaotic, kind of like my day. But the intro was, this is going to be like thrash. Grew up in the 80s, I actually know what the fuck it is. But it wasn't that, it was all over the place. There was no rhyme, no reason, no nothing to it. But at the same time, every beat, every light that it controlled created the first part of, how I can describe it, as a living organism. Almost like the birth of a universe. And I'm not fucking around or joking here. But it was beyond, you were beyond being absorbed by this. It was way beyond being interactive, immersive. It was something, the two sets created something completely new that they gave a life to, and that life, the audience and everyone there, you didn't participate in like you know, interactive art exhibits. You just sat there and just let it merge with it and allow it to go through you, which literally some of the beats and everything, sometimes it did go through me. It gave me the chills. It gave me a rush. This is like the best way I can describe it. It was just wild, intense, chaotic, both sets, and just something that you literally were a part of, and merged with that life and that universe and that entirely new entity that was created. In case you're wondering, quick background on my experience covering art exhibits. 10 years, 1 blog, 3 online media now. Lehigh Valley, New York, Philadelphia, and no art exhibits in Camden, but I just started covering Camden, New Jersey events. And I couldn't even begin to tell you, long lost track of how many art exhibits and different types of art exhibits. 1 performance left. Volumes. Icebox Project, Philadelphia. Yeah, get down here. This is something that goes to the top, in the top of the must experience list. Michael Phoenix, founder, staff of Flower City Illusion, predecessor Surreal Veil City. Take care, everybody. Enjoy autumn. Stay safe.